How to access online new employee orientation in OneSource. Logging into the network. Step 1. From an HISD campus or facility, log into your HISD-issued computer. If this is the first time you are logging into your HISD computer, click Other User at the bottom left of the login screen and enter the username and password from the welcome letter sent to your personal email address. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you have any issues, please contact the IT Service Desk at 713-892-7378. Accessing OneSource Me Learning. Step 2. Open the Microsoft Edge web browser and navigate to www.houstonisd.org. Step 3. In the top navigation, click My HISD. Then OneSource from the drop-down that appears. Step 4. On the OneSource page, enter your username and password, then click Log On. Step 5. In the user authentication pop-up, enter the last 6 digits of your social security number, then click Submit. Step 6. Now that you are in OneSource, click the OneSource Me link in the Related Links section to the right. Step 7. Click the My Learning tile under Quick Actions. Enrolling in the NEO training program content. Step 8. In the HISD Learning section, search. Enter the new employee orientation code for your role, then click Go. For teachers, NEOT. For non-teachers, NEONT. Step 9. On the results screen, click the name of the program. On the course information screen, click the Enroll button in the top right. You are now enrolled in the program. Navigating the NEO training program content. Step 10. Follow the instructions to complete each section. There are 2 types of elements: courses and notes. Most sections will have a course within them, which contains links to a video and a quiz. Click Start Course to access the training video and quiz. Notes are important information that you need to acknowledge. Click Mark Complete to record completion. As you complete each section, you will see a green circle with a check mark in the section title bars. There is also a progress meter at the top of the program page. Upon 100% completion of the program, you will have completed new employee orientation and will see it listed in the Learning History section of the My Learning page. If your Learning History tile is collapsed, it will say Only History. Click View All to see your completed items.